Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here. Get ready for another exciting ESP psychic training tool. Now we have another fantastic, and this is a very unusual training tool, game, etc. But it has the usual, this is from 1976 from Pressman Corporation, New York, New York. Who has been making games for many, many years. I think they may still be making games. I'm not sure. But they put together this very interesting ESP Magic Mentalism kit. It combines a bunch of everything. It gives you a way to use this in pure ESP fashion with people, to train yourself and demonstrate skills. And it also kind of is a mentalism or magic trick. Now, this whole kit was put together. Here again, I keep telling people that we have these high quality designers of game. Now this was designed by Jack Mallon. Jack has always been fascinated with the phenomena of the human mind. As a native of St. Paul, Minnesota, he attended the University of Minnesota where he majored in psychology. His interest in ESP or parapsychology grew out of his interest and experience with hypnosis, which led to deep curiosity into the realm of the unnatural or supernatural. And through the years, he worked with J.B. Rhine, the famous psychic researcher. However, today the picture of ESP has advanced and taking astonishing strides. Not only are the military, academics, industrial institutions sponsoring extensive research programs in the field, but the pioneers are making some major breakthroughs. The mysterious phenomenon of the human mind has compelled Mr. Malone to examine telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition, and many other aspects of ESP or parapsychology. He feels that while we still have no way of knowing the limit of the mind's energy, there is a thought energy somewhere within all of us. Here is he, and this is the guy who created this. And again, this is 76? Yeah, so we're talking about that golden age again, which goes from about 1965 to about 1976, where things like this were out there everywhere. But this is a fascinating, he goes into ways of training yourself in telepathy, but also gives you a magic trick. ESP, the same. Psychokinesis. Well, it gives you a magic trick so you can kind of fool and trick people. There's some sort of deja vu. Precognition. And clairvoyance. And he has these little spinners you use. Now, it's pretty fascinating. Let's look at this instructions again. So he makes these, these are actually, now you can use them both ways. It's hard to describe here, and I'm not going to go into great detail because this will kind of bore everybody to tears. But these are magic tricks he's put together. And he shows you kind of how to do this. I know I can give you psychometry. Touch will tell. Clairvoyance, telephone test. Well, he shows you the secrets of mentalism. That's what I like about this, is that you can actually do this in a more psychic way, or you can actually do it with the tricks. And I always recommend people to learn magic tricks. I mean, impressing people, showing them things that is difficult for you to produce on the spot or even at all. Well, why not? You're not trying to swindle people, but to have an air of mystery about you, that they think you're powerful. Maybe they'll be attracted to you. It's a great way to meet people and impress people. Why not do what all these other people who are literally making hundreds of millions of dollars, like Penn and Teller, the unamazing Randy, all these people out there have been making millions and millions. Chris Angel, who goes around telling people that this isn't a trick. This is what I do. You do tricks, Chris, you lying sack of manure. So the whole idea is that's what these people do. So why not? So I always recommend people learn magic tricks, little things they can do. Now here's the inside of the box. You get your typical E.S.P cards here. You've got additional cards here. These are all for a particular trick. They have city names on it. You've got, this is brandy new. You've got the different pouches and bags you use. Here's some E.S.P kind of dollar things. Here's the actual spinners. This has numbers on it. This one had numbers as well. And it's all part of this E.S.P magic trick situation that you go through. So this is a truly unique kit because it's mentalism and psychic training. So it combines both of these together, which is rare. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. And as I said, this is very rare. These are extremely difficult to get. I believe we do have only one of these in stock if you're interested. And of course, move fast on these things. These things I only run into about every 3 or 4 years, if that. So here's a chance to get one of these fun things to impress people with mentalism. This is what Kreskin and other people do. They don't call themselves magicians. They call themselves mentalists. Maybe mental cases? But the point is they do these kind of things that are super impressive that people can't figure out. And, but they're all E.S.P type based. So this is a lot of fun, very interesting, very rare, from the golden age. And remember, people, to like, subscribe, and of course, check those links below. Find out if we have one of these available and what the price is. And we have so many other tools. And of course, we have a whole bunch more classic vintage tools to come.